Hakasi balang jagatayo kata ka art flight rek urumpang araja RPR, lies pa art Briew ki Briew Nongstoin, kila Rung Seng All India Trinamool Congress, hapo ka Jedon lang ki Vice President, JONG Aitc ubah Himalaya Shangpliang, baru ba James Lingdo. Hakani ka singila pinpanaru i ka Seng, ya ka Nongstoin, Block Trinamool Congress, hapo ka Jelam u President, ubah Macmillan Kharbani. Hagani gaski ubah Himalaya Shangpliang, ulakran Shapang Gajingyo i, bar Gajingtmu, JONG Aitc Hamegalaya.
Just a few days back, we got the notification from West Bengal on the structure combinations of the state units, wherein the president and the 6 vice president, 2 general secretaries and 2 joint secretaries have been notified. Immediately after the notification, the state unit has actively got involved in the formation and of the various units in the other districts. Today we are in Nongstoin. It's a headquarter of the RiKhasi district, and today there has been a large attendance of people who have joined the All India Trinamool Congress. And as a Vice President, I have come here to strengthen the party and to give them the moral support, and also to show them the roadmap of how we go ahead from here. I've given them a lot of inputs of how to create the primary units, how to go about formation of more units in the rural areas and in every polling station possible. And this leader who we have here by the name of Macmillan Kharbani, he is a very resourceful leader, he is an experienced leader, and we will be projecting him for the coming assembly as our candidate. And he has a lot of experience. I hope he'll be doing it well. What I can see is there is a lot of good response at the grassroots level, which is very, very important for us, because we need to strengthen at the grassroots. And this party, as we all know, the Trinamool Congress is a party for the grassroots, and therefore we appealed to all the people here that we should strengthen first at the grassroots, and then we go forward.
Uprasan ka block habakran hakani ka jelang ulapan pao pagade tangani ka Seng kabayle persya ka Seng BJP bad ikijingtmu ki jongka.
See, my point of joining this party is I have seen. First of all, I have seen this is the only party that is fighting against BJP. So I'm very much against the communal forces. I have seen how communal forces are dividing people. So, being from Christian background, I would take it to the best of my effort to promote or strengthen secular parties. So that's the first thing. And secondly, this is the party which I have seen is working for the poor and downtrodden. I have seen how this party is helping Mother Teresa also in Kolkata. So this has given a lot of inspiration to me. So, and I'm also a man from a poor background. So it suits me to serve this party. Thank you.